Every morning, I hear them outside tearing down the building. It's loud, but it doesn't bother me. I used to think peace meant quiet, no problems, no noise. Now I know better. Peace isn't the absence of noise. It's the presence of stillness that doesn't move, even when the world around you shakes. Not every repair makes noise. Some of the biggest changes happen under the surface. The world doesn't stop when you find peace. You just stop reacting to it. When control slips away, peace takes the wheel, if you let it. Peace doesn't panic. Peace observes. Peace listens. They call it calm under pressure. I just call it peace. The storm doesn't define you. How you breathe through it, it does. Unshaken. Every morning, I still hear them tearing it down. The noise hasn't changed, but I have. I don't need the world to quiet down anymore. I just need to stay long enough to remember who built my foundation. That's peace. That's calm under pressure. That's being unshaken.